Hi, this is Sean, your RSA approved driving instructor with PassFirstTime.ie, and welcome to tip number 5 in our 30 tips in 30 days series. I'm going to turn this into a playlist on the YouTube channel, so at any stage, if you join us halfway through even, you will be able to go back and check the whole playlist. Tip number 5 is, can I use the reverse camera on my driving test? Interesting, not a huge amount of cars in Ireland still have a reversing camera, but they're on the increase, and it's a question that driving instructors are asked more and more often. So let's have a look at the quick, simple answer. Yes and no. So you have to be careful is the answer how you use it. You don't use the reverse camera as your main observation when you're reversing. So in other words, you must still get in your blind spot checks. You must still use your back window as your main source of observation when you're looking, and have all-round observation. Can you glance at the camera as you go? The answer is yes, you can, but you have to be careful that you are not engrossed in the camera and the camera doesn't put you off. And a glance is probably the best word for how you would use the camera when you're reversing. As you move your head around to look in other directions and to check it's safe all around you, you will by default pass the line of sight of the camera. So on those occasions, yeah, it's perfectly okay to give a little glance at the camera. However, if you're not comfortable with this and you have any doubt, you can choose to ignore the camera. It's a decision for yourself. So the best thing to do would be to have a chat with your driving instructor. Instructors, again, I suppose, will have different views on the camera, but have a chat with your instructor, see what their advice is, and follow that, because it is very important that you don't use the reverse camera as your main number one source of observation. In other words, look at that and look at that alone, and you will fail your driving test because of it. So they're a fantastic asset when used correctly. Chat with your driving instructor and they should clear up any doubts you have on that. That is tip number 5 in our 30 tips for 30 days. Go back and watch the other videos if you haven't done so. They're all short and hopefully straight to the point. As straight to the point as I can make them anyway. Good luck with your driving test if you're doing one shortly. Check out our online course at PassFirstTime.ie. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell to get the notifications. And we will have another driving test tip for you tomorrow.